Dear students, Assalamu alaikum, Ahlan, Marhaba. A very warm welcome to my Arabic learning class. In this lesson, you will learn how to change affirmative imperfect verbs into negative imperfect verbs by adding la, particle la, as prefix in details. You have already learnt the affirmative imperfect verbs in the last 5 lectures. Before we start this lesson, I would like to draw your attention to these points. You have already learnt almost entire basic necessary grammars needed to form all types of nominal sentences and different types of verbal sentences using perfect verbs and imperfect verbs. In nominal sentences, you have learned the demonstrative pronouns, the personal pronouns, the interrogative particles, the personal suffixes completely. You have learned the entire forms of singular, dual and plural nouns and pronouns. And in verbal sentences, you have learned almost 50 perfect verbs of fi'l madi. You have learned the usage of the perfect verbs in your own sentences also. You have learned almost 50 imperfect verbs, that is af'al fi'l mudari, with their meanings in English. You have also learned the usage of these imperfect verbs in your own sentences. And all of these verbs give an affirmative meaning. Which verbs you have learned so far? These give an affirmative meaning. I am sure now you can make simple nominal and verbal sentences in Arabic very easily. If you have any confusion or doubt, please revisit the lessons where these things have been taught in detail. For achieving the best results, you have to keep on revising the previous lessons again and again, because practice makes a person perfect. Students, today we will learn how to change affirmative imperfect verbs into negative imperfect verbs by adding la, lam, alif, la as prefix in detail, inshallah. Before starting the new lesson, let's revise some affirmative imperfect verbs that you have already learned in the previous 5 lectures. Okay, let's start, and you follow me in pronunciation. That will benefit you in pronunciation and your developing language skills. يذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. يذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. Hamid goes to the school. يكتب يوسف رسالة. يكتب يوسف رسالة. يكتب يوسف رسالة. Yusuf writes a letter. ستذهب سعدية إلى الكلية. ستذهب سعدية إلى الكلية. ستذهب سعدية إلى الكلية. Sadia will go to the college. ستدخل المكتبة المركزية. ستدخل المكتبة المركزية. ستدخل المكتبة المركزية. You, one man, will enter the central library. تعملين في المصرف. تعملين في المصرف. تعملين في المصرف. You, one woman, work at the bank. سألعب الكرة الطائرة. سألعب الكرة الطائرة. سألعب الكرة الطائرة. I will play volleyball. نلعب الكريكيت. نلعب الكريكيت. نلعب الكريكيت. We play cricket. ذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. ذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. حامد went to the school. ما ذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. ما ذهب حامد إلى المدرسة. Hamid did not go to the school. Hamid did not go to the school. دخل الفصل. دخل الفصل. He entered the classroom. ما دخل الفصل. So to make the perfect verb into negative, what we do? We add ma before the perfect verb before madi. So from dakhala it became ma dakhala. Ma dakhala al fasl. He did not enter the classroom. Raja'at Maria ila al bayt. Raja'at Maria ila al bayt. Raja'at Maria ila al bayt. Maria came back to the house. And from Raja'at it will be ma raja'at. ما رجعت ماريا إلى البيت. ما رجعت ماريا إلى البيت. Maria did not come back to the house. And from أكل أكل الأولاد الموز. أكل الأولاد الموز. The boys ate banana. ما أكل الأولاد الموز. ما أكل الأولاد الموز. ما أكل الأولاد الموز. The boys did not eat banana. Another sentence. حضرت المحاضرة. حضرت المحاضرة. محاضرة is lecture. حضرت المحاضرة. You attended the lecture. And from حضرت it will be ما حضرت. For negative it will be ما حضرت. ما حضرت المحاضرة. ما حضرت المحاضرة. You did not attend the lecture. So dear learners, today let's learn how to change affirmative imperfect verb, that is فعل مضارع مثبت in Arabic, into negative imperfect verb, that is فعل مضارع منفي in Arabic. You have learnt already how to change affirmative perfect verb, that is فعل ماضي مثبت, into negative imperfect verb, that is فعل ماضي منفي, by adding ma as a prefix in details. By adding ma as prefix in detail, as we just saw. From raja'a ma raja'a, zahaba ma zahaba, dakhala ma dakhala, kataba ma kataba, fa'ala ma fa'ala. So there you are already known of this. To make negative imperfect verb is very simple and easy as making فعل ماضي or perfect verb as negative. What we do? And only you have to add the negative particle la before the affirmative imperfect verb. You have to add only negative particle la before the affirmative imperfect verb, that is فعل مضارع مثبت. If you add la before فعل مضارع مثبت, it will become فعل مضارع منفي. See, from يذهب, لا يذهب, لا تذهب, يحفظ, لا يحفظ, لا تحفظ, and from يكتب, لا يكتب, لا تكتب, لا نكتب, لا أكتب, and from ينظر, لا ينظر, لا تنظر, لا ينظرنا, لا ينظرون, لا تنظرون, لا تنظرين, لا أنظر, لا ننظر. So simply we add la before the imperfect verb to make it negative, to give it negative meaning. From يدخل, لا يدخل, لا تدخل, from ينظر, لا ينظر, لا تنظر, and وهكذا, like that. Now let's learn how to make Arabic sentences with the help of negative imperfect verbs for the present tense first. Because you have imperfect verb gives the meaning of present tense and future tense both. So first we will do practice of present tense, then future tense. But you are requested to repeat these sentences with me and try to follow me for the proper pronunciation. Okay, let's start. From Zahaba yazhab, it will be La yazhab Thaqib ila Oman. La yazhab Thaqib ila Oman. La yazhab Thaqib ila Oman. The translation will be Thaqib does not go to Oman. Thaqib does not go to Oman. Another sentence. Al-aghniya la yansurun al-fuqara. Here I have added what? La before yansurun. It became negative. Al-aghniya la yansurun al-fuqara. Al-aghniya la yansurun al-fuqara. The rich men don't help the poor. لا تكتب صبيحة ثاقب رسالة. لا تكتب صبيحة ثاقب رسالة. لا تكتب صبيحة ثاقب رسالة. صبيحة ثاقب does not write a letter. صبيحة ثاقب doesn't write a letter. Another sentence. الطالبات لا يدرسن في المنزل. Here la is added before yadrusna to make the meaning as negative. الطالبات لا يدرسن في المنزل. الطالبات لا يدرسن في المنزل. The girl students don't study at home. أنت لا تعمل في المصرف. أنت لا تعمل في المصرف. أنت لا تعمل في المصرف. You one man don't work at the bank. Another sentence. أنتم لا تحفظون الدروس. Earlier there was أنتم تحفظون الدروس. Here negative will be أنتم لا تحفظون الدروس. أنتم لا تحفظون الدروس. You more than two men don't learn the lessons. لا تساعدين الفقراء. لا تساعدين الفقراء. لا تساعدين الفقراء. You one woman don't help the poor. أنتن لا تجلسن على الكراسي. أنتن لا تجلسن على الكراسي. You more than two women don't sit on the chairs. لا ألعب كرة القدم. لا ألعب كرة القدم. لا ألعب كرة القدم. I don't play football. لا نسكن في دبي. لا نسكن في دبي. لا نسكن في دبي. We don't live in Dubai. These are the simple Arabic sentences of negative imperfect verbs for the present tense. For the present tense. So students, let's learn now how to make Arabic sentences with the help of negative imperfect verbs for the future tense now. And you are supposed to repeat these sentences with me and try to follow me for the proper pronunciation. Yusuf will not visit Manali. So Arabic is Saufa la yazur Yusuf Manali. Saufa la yazur Yusuf Manali. Saufa la yazur Yusuf Manali. Yusuf will not visit Manali. Saufa la tabda Maria safaraha. سوف لا تبدأ ماريا سفرها. سوف لا تبدأ ماريا سفرها. Maria will not start her journey. سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. Here la is added after sofa and before the imperfect verb. So it is سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. The customer will not take his book. سوف, there is a word al-ghafir. Al-ghafir means watchman. And there is another word for watchman, al-haris. Al-haris and al-ghafir. Yes. سوف لا يفتح الغفير الباب. سوف لا يفتح الغفير الباب. سوف لا يفتح الغفير الباب. The watchman will not open the door. Another sentence. سوف لا ينجح. سوف لا ينجح. من لا ينجح؟ الكسلان. سوف لا ينجح الكسلان في تعلم اللغة العربية. سوف لا ينجح الكسلان في تعلم اللغة العربية. سوف لا ينجح الكسلان في تعلم اللغة العربية. The lazy man will not succeed. The lazy man will not succeed in learning the Arabic language. سوف لا ترقد عافية مبكرا. سوف لا ترقد عافية مبكرا. سوف لا ترقد عافية مبكرا. عافية will not sleep early. So another sentence. هي لا تقدم غدا في الميعاد. Here I did not use سوف or sir. Why? Because there is a word غدا already available to give the meaning of future. So through the context we come to know that the meaning is for future. So no need to add سوف or sir. So how I say? هي لا تقدم غدا في الميعاد. هي لا تقدم غدا في الميعاد. هي لا تقدم غدا في الميعاد. She will not come tomorrow on time. سوف لا تترك رشمي الفطور. سوف لا تترك رشمي الفطور. سوف لا تترك رشمي الفطور. Rashmi will not miss the breakfast. سوف لا تطلبون المال. سوف لا تطلبون المال. سوف لا تطلبون المال. You many men will not demand money. You many men will not demand money. And the last sentence. سوف لا أنساكم. سوف لا أنساكم. سوف لا أنساكم. I will not forget you. Dear students, here a very important note to be taken. That is, when the verb precedes the subject, it is conjugated in the singular masculine or singular feminine form always. Even if the subject is plural or dual, and even if the meaning is affirmative or negative. Please keep in mind always, if the verb comes first, then subject comes later, then no matter what number of the subject is and what the gender, actually we consider gender, but no matter whether the meaning is affirmative or negative. So how it will be? See, لا يلعب الولد. لا يلعب الولد. لا يلعب الولدان. لا يلعب الأولاد. So it is a smart way. When there is a subject and verb, always use verb first, then use subject. And there is no need to worry about the number of verb, conjugation of the verb, because verb always will be in the singular. Only what we have to consider is that is the gender of the subject. If the subject is masculine, then verb will be masculine. If the subject is feminine, then verb will be feminine. See, لا يلعب الولد, لا يلعب الولدان, لا يلعب الأولاد, and لا تلعب البنت. Here only the change is in the gender. لا تلعب البنت, لا تلعب البنتان, لا تلعب البنات. So it is the smart way to translate the verbal sentences. So dear learners, it was all about learning the negative imperfect verb and its usage in Arabic sentences with their translation into English. We used here Arabic sentences, we formed Arabic sentences and translated them into English. Now let's do some exercises to test our skills by translating some English sentences into Arabic based on today's lesson. So dear students, now let's do some exercises and translate some simple sentences of negative imperfect verbs from English into Arabic. I don't feel happy. I don't feel happy. Yes, make the sentence. لا أفرح. Very easy. لا أفرح. Another sentence, another way of expression. لا أشعر بالفرح. لا أشعر بالفرح. Okay, let's make another sentence. We don't eat the food. We don't eat the food. نحن لا نأكل الطعام. نحن لا نأكل الطعام. We don't eat the meat. We don't eat the meat. نحن لا نأكل اللحم. نحن لا نأكل اللحم. Yes, another sentence. You more than two men don't work at the office. You more than two men don't work at the office. لا تعملون في المكتب. لا تعملون في المكتب. Another sentence. You more than two women don't swim in the river. You more than two women don't swim in the river. لا تسبحن في النهر. لا تسبحن في النهر. لا تسبحن في النهر. Okay, fifth sentence. They, many men, don't write the letters. They, many men, don't write the letters. لا يكتبون الرسائل. لا يكتبون الرسائل. The letters الرسائل. Okay, sentence number 6. Maria Adil will not start her journey. Maria Adil will not start her journey. Maria Adil will not start her journey. Yes, try. To start, there is a word Bada'a Yabdo. So make the negative of Yabda, it will be La Yabda. And for feminine gender, La Tabda. Yes. Sawfa La Tabda. Sawfa La Tabda Maria Adil Safaraha. Sawfa La Tabda Maria Adil Safaraha. Okay, sentence number 7. The customer will not take his book. The customer will not take his book. Try. حاول. سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. سوف لا يأخذ الزبون كتابه. The customer will not take his book. Okay, sentence number 8. I will not enter the shop. I enter the shop is أنا أدخل الدكان. I will not enter the shop. سوف لا أدخل الدكان. Will not. That's why سوف لا. سوف لا أدخل الدكان. سوف لا أدخل الدكان. So, sentence number 9 is, you more than 2 men don't read these books. You don't read these books. You more than 2 men. It means you for masculine plural. You don't read these books. أنتم لا تقرؤون هذه الكتب. أنتم لا تقرؤون هذه الكتب. أنتم لا تقرؤون هذه الكتب. Okay, the last sentence. The traders are not going to the market. The traders are not going to the market. التجار لا يذهبون إلى السوق. التجار لا يذهبون إلى السوق. التجار لا يذهبون إلى السوق. Dear students, in this unit, you have learned the negative imperfect verb and its usage in Arabic sentences with their translation into English and from English into Arabic. So please keep on revising the previous lessons to improve your Arabic language skills. See you again in the next class. Bye bye. Maas salama.